Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to our channel Service Expert. Today we are going to be diving into the world of electric minivans with a closer look at the Volvo EM90, a vehicle that's set to redefine long distance travel for families and business travels alike. The Volvo EM90 is a testament to Swedish design, exuding elegance and sophistication from every angle. Its sleek and modern lines, accentuated by its long wheelbase and spacious proportions, create a commanding presence on the road. Whether it's the subtle curvature of the roofline or the sharpness creases along the bodywork, the EM90's design language is both understated and captivating. As you step inside the EM90, you are greeted by a world of luxury and comfort. The cabin is meticulously crafted with premium materials, from the soft leather upholstery to the polished wood accents. The spacious interior seamlessly accommodates up to 6 passengers, providing ample legroom and headroom for everyone to stretch out and relax. Technology takes center stage in the EM90, seamlessly integrating convenience and entertainment into your driving experience. A massive 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits proudly at the heart of the dashboard, providing intuitive access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings. A 21-inch speaker sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, while heated and ventilated seats ensure optimal comfort regardless of the weather. Safety is paramount when it comes to Volvo, and the EM90 is no exception. A suite of advanced safety features comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work in tandem to keep you and your passengers safe on every journey. One of the most impressive aspects of the EM90 is its range. Powered by a large 116 kWh battery pack, the EM90 can travel up to 738 km, that's exactly 459 miles on a single charge, eliminating range anxiety and opening up a world of possibilities for long distance travel. Under the hood, the EM90 boasts a single electric motor that produces 268 horsepower, delivering a spirited and responsive driving experience. The EM90 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, that's exactly 62 miles per hour, in a mere 8.3 seconds, provoking that electric minivans can be both practical and exhilarating. Charging the EM90 is a breeze with its fast charging capabilities. From 10% to 80%, the battery can be replenished in just 30 minutes, ensuring that you are always ready for your next adventure. While the EM90 is currently available for sale in China, Volvo has expressed plans to expand its availability to other markets in the future. This global presence will make the EM90 accessible to a wider range of families and businesses travelers seeking an exceptional electric minivan experience. As we talk about the conclusion, the Volvo EM90 is more than just an electric minivan. It's a statement of Volvo's commitment to innovation, luxury, and sustainability. With its impressive range, spacious interior, and advanced technology features, the EM90 is poised to redefine long-distance travel for families and business travelers alike. As the world of electric vehicles continues to evolve, the EM90 stands as a testament to Volvo's ability to push boundaries and deliver vehicles that are both practical and desirable. Thanks for watching us today, and we will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.